Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey friends, today I'm going to show you exactly how to plan your trips using Notion, and the best part, we're doing it with a free travel planner template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a completely organized travel dashboard in Notion. No need to start from scratch, and you'll have all your travel plans in one super professional looking place. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by trip details or worried you'll forget something important, this is for you. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through step by step. First up, we want to use a template to make things faster and smoother. Templates are kind of like having a pre-built house. You don't have to lay every brick yourself, but you can always redecorate later. To start, head to your Notion workspace. Look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a little drop-down arrow near your workspace's name. Click on that and you'll get more options. From those options, select Browse Templates. Sometimes people miss this step because the template library can be easy to overlook. So if you're not seeing it right away, take a moment to scan for it. No worries if it's hiding. The template gallery is Notion's own treasure trove, filled with ready-made layouts for a bunch of needs. Searching for exactly what you want just makes life easier. Now in the search bar, type in Travel Planner. You'll notice there are a few different options here, and you can pick the one that fits your style or the kind of trip you usually take. Some templates focus on solo travel, some are more family-oriented, and some are great for digital nomads. It's all about what works for you. Select the template that catches your eye and then just click Add. In a couple seconds, the whole framework magically appears in your Notion space. It's almost like opening a brand new notebook, but way cooler because so much is already organized for you. Here, your planning adventure really begins. The next step is to add your travel details. This usually means your travel dates, the destination, maybe your budget, and those all-important flight or train details. Take your time here. Think about the pieces of info you'll want quick access to while you're on the road. For example, you could add confirmation numbers for hotels or links to your digital tickets. Notion lets you pop in text, images, even files, so if you want to upload a map or a packing checklist, go right ahead. And don't forget the creative touches. Personalizing your planner can make it feel more exciting and truly yours. Maybe you add your favorite travel photos or decorate the page with emojis that match your travel mood. You can also adjust colors or rearrange sections. For example, you may prefer to have your itinerary up top and checklists below. Notion is really flexible, so don't be afraid to experiment. There's no wrong way here, and you can tweak things as you plan more trips in the future. If you run into any hiccups or you're unsure what to put where, just remember that templates are a starting point, not a rulebook. It's totally normal for the first setup to take a few moments. You're building your own personal travel headquarters, so let yourself explore and enjoy the process. With your customized travel planner, you're way less likely to miss a detail, and every trip gets a little easier. And that's it, you now have a beautiful, organized travel planner ready to go for your next adventure. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with any travel tips or any Notion questions you've got, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Safe travels and see you in the next video.